Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete community on Messenger. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Facebook has revealed that in the coming weeks, it will allow users to start community chats directly from Messenger. The Meta-owned social media platform is also planning to expand the chat experience to more Facebook groups. The community chat feature is the Messenger app will allow users to form a Facebook group, start chat, and audio channel along with inviting others to join their new group. But what if you want to delay the community on your messenger? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our messenger. Now you can just choose on the community that you want to delete. For example, choose this one. Before you delete community on messenger, you have to make sure that you're the admin of the community or the owner of that community, and you have permission to delete that community. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner on the settings on here. You can scroll down. There is an option delete community. You can just tap on that. Now you can tap on delete. So the community is deleted from your messenger. If you want to create another one, the new community, you can just tap on here and start to create the community. You can see on my previous video, I've shown you how to create the community, how to create community on Messenger. So that is how to delete community on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.